This AI agent can create reels and stories for Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. And it creates them automatically from your script topics. It creates image slideshows either using AI or stock images. And you can get it to create videos in any style about whatever you want. Let me show you a quick example of the output.
In science and technology, frequently dismantling and reassembling electrical devices. He was an exceptional student and attended Princeton University, where he earned degrees in electrical engineering and computer science.
So this video is obviously about Jeff Bezos and the beginnings of Amazon, and it's pulling stock images from Google to use in your video. So these are real images of Jeff Bezos. Let me show you how to make these for yourself. First, head on over to youraiagent.com. Your AI Agent is a comprehensive business suite of AI agents. It's a web app that I'm building live on this channel, and we're adding new agents each and every week. So enter your name and email address, password, and then click sign up. Now for this AI video generator, you actually don't need to connect any of your accounts, but if you want to automatically post to Instagram, you're going to want to click on this tab on the settings page, name your integration, let's say @WestDeco, click the connect Instagram button. It takes you to the Instagram's OAuth page. So allow this connection. Then it will drop you back on the connections page and you'll see your integration right down below. So adding this as an option will allow you to not only create the AI video, but automatically post it to Instagram once it's ready. And soon I'll be adding YouTube Shorts integration, TikTok integration. We're going to want to create these videos and auto post them to all the social media platforms that are available. And that's going to help us give us the most number of impressions and the most amount of reach. From the homepage, you'll see all the AI agents that we currently have available, and more are being added to this platform each week. So the one we're looking for is called Reels and Stories. And I'm going to find it here, and it's turn any concept into a scroll stopping short form video. Now, before we continue, just a word of note, this is in beta. And though it works perfectly fine right now, I don't think it's at its final form just yet. I think there are many ways that we can improve this agent. And after I go through a bit of the settings that you have to configure, I want you to please write in the comments below, what do you want to see as an option for this agent? How can we make your AI video generation on autopilot? So I'll show you what we have right now. Turn any concept into scroll stopping short form video with reels and stories. Simply drop in a script topic, dial in every detail like the script style, target, stock or AI images, font and stroke colors, narrator voice, image prompt, model, and more. And your agent instantly crafts a polished 30 to 60 second clip ready for upload. Each output comes with a shareable URL so you can post, repurpose, or collaborate in a click, keeping your brand visuals and voice perfectly on point while you focus on the next big idea. And these videos are working in the background. They take about 5 minutes to create, and it takes this long because we're making multiple API calls, we're writing the script, we're generating the voice, we're grabbing the images, we're creating the captions, and we're putting it all together and rendering it into an HD video. And also these videos will be deleted from storage after 7 days. It costs money to store these videos, and I'm hoping that 7 days gives you enough time to grab all of these videos and save them to your own computer if you wish. So this first option is, do you want to post to Instagram? And if we toggle that on, we get a choice of choosing our connection. I'm choosing @WestDeco. That's the Instagram account I just connected. And do we want to post it as a reel or a story? Again, this is optional. If we toggle this off, it will just create a URL for us. And then we can take that video URL, download it to our computer, and use it however we wish. And I'm also going to add the TikTok, YouTube Shorts, so that it creates the video and auto posts it everywhere. Next is, how often do you want your agent to post? If you're going to auto post to Instagram, I recommend once every 24 hours. That's a good amount of time so it doesn't spam your users and also gives you the most amount of reach. You can select your posting days. I'm going to post on all days of the week. Now we have the script topics. For each of the topics that you enter in this input box, it's going to create a video for it. So this is going to depend on your Instagram page, on your niche. The Instagram account that I'm posting to @WestDeco is my photography account. So I'm going to do something like forest photography. Let's go abstract art, and maybe something like best 1600s painters. Next option is if we want to use stock images or generate all the images with AI. Now this is going to depend on your script topic. Obviously in the example before, if I'm using Jeff Bezos, I'm probably going to want to use stock images because AI generated images are not going to be able to generate how Jeff Bezos actually looks. If we want a style, maybe cartoon style, anime style, comic book style, maybe AI generated images would work for that. And something like forest photography, abstract art, this could work with AI generated images. So I'm probably going to leave this on. And for this, we want a minimal prompt. Think of this like a Midjourney prompt. We just want specific keywords to help the style of our images. We are generating the image prompts in the background based on your script topic and the actual output script. So keep this image prompt very simple. Just kind of guide it in the style that you want to create. Then we could also include our image model. I'm going to keep it at Flux Schnell. Next, we have the agent prompt. These are the top level instructions of the type of script that you want to generate. And I start you off with something basic, but you can change this to whatever you wish. I go write a single conversational paragraph, roughly 140 words, 45 to 60 seconds aloud, that opens with an intention-grabbing hook, delivers the key facts or story about the given topic, and that's the dynamic data that we are including, and write it in an energetic, everyday voice, no exclamation marks, because we know AI is very prone to writing lots of exclamation marks. The next section are the video settings. This is going to customize your video's look and feel by choosing the narrator voice, the font color, the stroke color, caption position, and more font family options are coming soon. Right now we're using Roboto Black, and then additional caption styles are coming soon as well. I'm thinking like that TikTok karaoke style where the words come on the screen while they're being spoken, and each of those words are being highlighted. I'm in the process of making that. So if you have any ideas for some other video settings, please write it in the comments below. I'm super excited about this new agent. I'm also going to open this up as an API for other businesses to use. And with all of these video settings and all of these feature requests, I'd love to add it in so that you can use it as you wish. We have some voices right now to choose from. I'm going to choose Nova. We also have a vocal speed option anywhere between 0.5 and 4. 4 would be very, very fast. I'm going to keep it at 1. You can preview all of the voices and how the vocal speed sounds by clicking this link. Then we have font color and stroke color. Stroke color is just the outline of the text, and font color is obviously what it is. Use this to match your brand. And then we have caption position. So let's put it in the center. When you're all ready to go, you can click Start Agent. So this agent costs 50 credits to generate a video. But along with the 20 active agents that you get on the basic plan with this app, so you can run any agent you want, 20 of them at one time. There's a few agents like AI video editing, cold email outreach, and now the AI video generator that costs extra to generate these stuff. It's pretty expensive. I'm running this agent outside of Bubble and in a Google Cloud instance. So it's the cheapest I can make it. It's about 50 credits right now. I'm going to see how much the cost is over time and hopefully lower that. But with the basic plan, you'll get over 60 videos per month. Okay, now I can click Start Agent. And it takes me to the workflows page where I can see all of my active and running AI agents. Here we see my newest one, Reels and Stories, the connection I'm posting to. The interval is every 24 hours. If I click on the info button, remember this agent takes about 5 minutes to create the video. But when it's ready, it's going to automatically post to my Instagram account. But not only that, it's going to show a video link right here that I can download and use as I wish. At any point, you can click Edit Workflow, and it takes you back to that running page where you can change any of your settings, add some more script topics, or change any of your video settings. All right, I'm going to pause the video now, and I'm going to resume once this video is ready so we can see our result. All right, it's been a couple minutes, and the video has now generated. And I'm in the output history of this agent, and I can see my URL. So let's click on that. And there we go. First off, beautiful image that it created for the background. Let me play this a bit.
Imagine stepping into a forest where sunlight filters through towering trees. The air is crisp, and every corner holds a story waiting to be captured.
That's absolutely amazing. I love it. Look, we got some mushrooms too. The next frame is another, a fall shot. Absolutely gorgeous. We got the sun peeking through the forest, a little river. We got some parrots, birds in the trees, and then an overhanging image of the forest with the clouds. I love it. And here's the post on Instagram. So it automatically posted the reel to my profile, along with a short little caption and a bunch of hashtags to help with discovery. If you want to try this AI video generator agent for yourself, I'll leave a link to youraiagent.com in the description below. If you're interested in the coding aspect of this agent, and want a deep dive into what's going on in the back end and how I created it, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll film a video about that in the coming weeks. Also, if you want me to create this as an API that you can connect to your own business for your own use cases, please reach out to the email that I have in my channel's description. I'd love to talk about more how you want to use this. And one more quick thing, if you want to learn how to build your own AI agents and turn it into a profitable web app, I filmed and designed an online course called How to Build a Custom AI App. We click on View the Syllabus, give you a bunch of freebies. I teach you Bubble Fundamentals and Bubble Advanced. Also show you how to add all the AI features that you can use to create your own agents, and then also how to monetize properly. I'll leave a link to this in the description as well. And if you like this video, I put 2 more on the screen right now. Both have been catered to your personal YouTube watch history. Give one of them a click for me, give it a watch, and I'll see you in there. Later.